Babe, have you found anything yet?
No, I've seen all these already.
Oh, well then just pick something.
I mean, we can, you know.
Stop. Give me this. Let's see. How about that?
I've seen that already. It's good though, but.
Okay. No, I saw that too. How about this?
That's cool.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So, tonight was fun. I can see us doing this every night.
Yeah, it was real fun. You basically breaking grandma's hip, trying to use her as your crutch. I'm glad that she wasn't really hurt.
Look, don't judge me, okay? It was a great crutch. You know, the cushion was perfect. I do feel bad, though.
You should not give me some of these grapes. You hogging them all. Finish Karen, babe.
Speaking of caring, I've been thinking about you for quite some time now. Look, we got something, okay? And I'm not talking about that puppy love either. I genuinely feel something for you.
Vince.
So when can we make this official?
I mean, I feel the same, but we can't.
So what's the problem?
I'm married, Vince. You know this.
So leave him.
What?
Come on, you know he's not the man for you. Let me step in and prove to you that we can be that happy marriage you've always talked about.
I've been with him since I was in high school. I don't even know how I would do that or what that looks like.
He doesn't care about you.
Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
What you doing?
Just watching TV.
Okay, I just landed at the airport. I should be home in about an hour.
How was your flight?
I'll see you at home.
You should tell him before he gets here.
I can't.
You can, it'll be easy.
Hello?
I'm sorry, but your number cannot be completed as dialed. Please hang up and try again. If you need help, please hang up and call your service provider.
You don't even love him anymore.
I know.
So why are you still with him?
I don't know.
You do know.
I can't do that.
You can.
Hello?
I'm sorry, but your number cannot be completed as dialed. Please hang up and try again. If you need help, please hang up and call your service provider.
I know you hear the door.
No, are you calling your husband to leave him?
No, I'm calling, but no one's answering.
Okay, we can go.
Like together?
Together, right now. We can leave before he gets here. Right now, we can go right now.
I don't know. I don't think so. I can't do that to him.
Jay, come on, let's go.
Get out.
I'm trying to help you.
You just want to help yourself. Get out.
Jay?
Chad,
What the fuck happened to you?
what are you talking about?
What the fuck you mean? You called me about an hour ago on some crazy shit.
What are you talking
What the fuck happened to you?
Ow.
Where the fuck is Derek?
What?
Jay, where the fuck is Derek?
I called you?
You called me, yes. Where is Derek, Jade?
I've been here with Vince this whole time.
Who? Who the fuck is Vince? Jade, who the fuck is Vince? Who the fuck is Vince, Jade? Who's in the shower, Jade? Jade, who's in the shower?
You shouldn't be here.
Hello? Hello? Hallucinations.
I'm the man of this house, you hear me? I do what I want to do. Tired of your damn name. Come here. You heard what I told you, right? Right? Don't question me about what I'm doing, who I'm hanging with. Do you hear me?
Get off of me! Shut up. You're hurting me.
I don't care about hurting you.
You are hurting me.
Shut up.
Get off.
What the hell are you doing?
Jade.
Derek?